Hello, let's draw a face. First, you draw a circle, then a little line below the circle. Find the middle point of the circle, then draw 2 lines from the corners. Now draw 2 bending lines to connect all the lines. Draw 1 line across the middle of the circle, 1 at the bottom of the circle, and 1 over the bended line. The top line is where the eyes will be, the middle line is where the nose will be, and the bottom line is where the mouth will be. The top line is also for the ears. Find the middle of the top line and mark it. Leave some space and draw 1 little line on the right and another on the left. Then draw those lines straight down to the middle line. Leave some more space on both sides of the top line. Then draw a little curve over the line on the right side and half a circle underneath the curve. Do the same thing on the left side. Underneath the half circles, draw little curved lines. From the tip of the line in the middle of the circle, draw a curved line over the eye and draw another curved line over it. Do the same thing over the right eye. Draw 2 dark holes at the bottom of both lines in the middle of the circle. Then draw 2 small curves at the sides of the holes. Draw 2 lines like this in the middle. This is the nose. In the middle of the third line, draw a little bow and curve the ends. From the tops of the bent tips, draw 2 bows as if to draw a heart. Now draw half a circle underneath. At the middle line, draw 2 curves on the sides of the face. On the outsides of the face, at the top line, draw a line, leave a space, and draw a smaller line underneath. Do the same thing on the other side. Now connect those lines, making sure to bend it a little in the middle. Draw a smaller curve inside the ears. Now wipe off all the original lines and circle inside the face. From the jaws of the face, draw 2 lines for the neck. From the middle of the top of the head, draw squiggly lines on both sides. Then wipe off the lines underneath the squiggly lines. Do the same thing above it. Now, from underneath the earlobes, draw some squiggly lines all the way down. Then from the top corners of the head, draw some more squiggly lines. Now make all the lines you've just drawn bolder by shading. Next, we're going to shade in the hair. I'll show you how. In the middle of each squiggly line, shade in a bent motion towards one side. Now, reverse it on the other side. You have to have 1 long part and 1 short part. Do this all the way down. Now let's try it on the face. One long part. Bend, 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 one short part. Just keep going until you filled out all the squiggly lines. Now, if you have a darker black pencil or a black colored pencil, shade all over what you've just done. Here's a tip. When you use different shades, you create highlights and shadows. I'll be painting the face with a cream colored marker, but you can use any color you'd like. Paint everywhere, leaving just the eyebrows, the eyes, and the lips. Leave some spaces on the nose, cheekbones, and forehead, just like I did. These will be the highlights. Now, with your black pencil, draw in the hairs of the brows. Slant the lines from the back to the middle. Then at the front of the brow, make the lines straight. Do this over and over until the brow is completely covered. Then with your black colored pencil, darken it some more. Then with the same black colored pencil, draw out the eyes. Draw two little circles in the middle of both eyes. Then draw small black dots and lines in the iris. Now take any skin tone colored pencil of your choice. I'll be using a brown colored pencil, and then you shade the corners of the head and the temple. Do not shade the forehead just yet. Make sure to lightly shade. It's all about lightly shading and adding layers upon layers until you get your desired shade. You have to be very patient. Remember those little curved lines you drew on the outside of the face? Good. Start from there to shade in the cheekbones. Always shade from the outside in. Do it exactly how I'm doing it. Shade from the sides of the nose to under the eyebrows and over the eyes. Do the same thing on the other side of the face. Leave a little space under the cheekbones and then shade the cheeks. Shade above the lips, the jawline, and the chin. Shade the neck and the shoulders too. To create a highlight on the chin, I shaded around a circle. Now, with a pink colored pencil, shade in some blush on the cheeks and shade over everywhere you just colored with the brown pencil. Now, with a dark brown colored pencil, shade around the face, the nose, the neck, and the shoulders. This is to create more shadows. Remember, you shade from the outside in. First, define the ears with a dark brown colored pencil. Then fill it in with your light brown colored pencil. For the eyes, you need a dark and light shade of any color of your choice. I'll be doing blue eyes. First, you color in all of the iris, leaving just the middle part. Use the light blue shade. Now, with the dark blue colored pencil, shade round the line of the iris. Then draw some lines and dots inside the iris. Now, with a deep yellow colored pencil, shade around the outside parts of the little circle. Then with a black marker, fill in the little circles. Now, here's how you draw the lashes. Draw a straight line and draw 2 lines coming out of it. Draw another line, but this time bend it to the right and bring 2 lines from it, just like this. This time, draw another line bending toward the left and draw 2 other lines from it. Do it again. Draw 2 other lines from it. Now let's try it on the face. Make sure you draw soft lines from the line of the lashes outward. Now curve the lashes underneath the line. Draw some over the iris. Curve, curve, curve. Now do the same thing on the lower line. Some soft lines bending to the right, some straight in the middle, and some bending to the left. Remember, this time from the inside out. Now curve it into the lash line. Next, we'll do the lips. Get a light pink or light red colored marker and paint in the lips, the top lip and the bottom lip. Be careful not to smudge. And finally, with your brown colored pencil, outline the lips. Just shade around the lips and leave the middle parts the way they are. And that's it, a simple way to draw a face. I'd like to know if you try this out. Remember to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more. Bye!